Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm running the confirmation bot tonight. I'm running 10 contracts. Market just opened about, I guess right here is when the market opened. I'll probably just let it take one trade and be done. We hit 8 contracts here. That's going to be about $1,200. And then I have 2 runners. Confirmation bot, whenever you lease it, you get the angler and the confirmation bot together. You can lease it right here. I'll show you while we're watching our targets. You go to Angler and Confirmation. You click on that, and you come all the way down. If you're wanting the bot so you get the confirmation and the Angler bot, you click on this and you'll get both of them. If you just want to do the indicator, then you can do that as well, and you manually trade. That's how you get this. The confirmation bot uses a variety of information for the signals, and we have it teamed up with 2 other indicators for trend. And as you can see right here, we're over $1,000. $1,000 a day. If I can make that on it, then I'm fine. Once we get down here, then our stop will move down, and then we will be at almost a break even. There we go. So we just come down. The bot is doing every bit of this. Right now we have secured 1137.36. That's with commission. Now we have a break even installed where the trail is following it. Now, if you want, you can close this right here, and then you'd be up what, $1,300. But we're gonna let it play out. If it comes up and hits that, our runners are free money. So if we get stopped out up there, fine. Once this comes on down, I'll probably bring it down to at least the first TP. But if it drops pretty hard, that will go all the way through there. So this bot runs on its own. You set the settings the way you like. The settings that we have in here, I provide. They are included in your bot lease. You can choose to run those settings or run your own. The back testing I've done, these seem to work really well. Again, we're 2 contracts short now. We are right at the first take profit, and we're just going to let it play out. I'm going to go ahead and pause this bot. That's going to be enough for me. And we entered at 6:03:02, and right now it's 6:06. So in 3 minutes, we've made that much money. Again, you can click close all up here and just go ahead and get out of the trade, but I'll just let it play out. If we get stopped out of here, we're still way money ahead. It may come right up to it and then just drop again. This is free money right now. We've already hit our goal. The $1,000 is my goal. This is just running 10 contracts. So there we are. We're stopped out there. My daily goal is over what I want. My bot is paused, and I'm done. Will it take more good trades? Possibly. It might have a loser. You never know. What you do is you hit your goal, you quit. That's all you need. So on the how you get this is, like I said, you go up here to Angular Confirmation. When you click on that, you scroll down. This has got the videos about the indicator and so forth. If you just want the confirmation indicator and Angular indicator, you can lease that and manually trade it. If you want the bot to do everything for you and also supply the other indicators that we use in the settings, you can lease it and then do it that way. This is the majority of the people do this, because when you're trying to manually trade, you'll miss entries, it'll jump fast, and you just miss it. And then once you miss the entry, it's too late. The bot will automatically enter that for you, and it just makes it a whole lot easier. Just like when I was trading tonight, whenever the signal came in, the bot took it, and then it moved all the stops and profit targets to where I wanted them. If you want to talk to me about it, if you have any questions, fill out this information here and send that out. I am the one that gets the emails on this, so I will reply back to you, usually within a few minutes, typically. Unless it's in the middle of the night, usually within an hour or two anyway. Go ahead and fill this out. Put your phone number if you want me to call you. Also, add this to your spam folder. They're filtering because sometimes my replies go back to a spam and people don't think that I answered, but I answered really quick. So add that to your spam filter. If you have any questions, let me know. Be more than happy to help you. This does work on funded accounts, by the way. So if you want a funded account, go in here, you click on this, and there's some discounts. So if you click on this one here, actually it's it actually went through August, so I need to change this, but this discount code will work on Apex, and all you have to do for Earn to Trade is just click on this and the discount will be included in the link. So when you click on that, it'd be better. If you're looking long-term, Apex is probably better. If you're looking for something to make quick money and to draw the money out to put in your live account, this would probably be better, the Earn to Trade. Well, like I said, if you have any questions, click on the contact, and when you click on that, fill this out, and that's the best way to get in touch with me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm done.